Are you specifying concrete in the most efficient way? Could your designs be simpler, more sustainable, and just as strong? What if you could reduce steel, speed up installation, and still achieve the performance that you need? Join me, Amy Sapien, National Fibre Manager for Sika, for a session specifically designed for engineers, specifiers, designers and contractors, as we explore how fibre reinforced concrete is changing the way we design and build. We'll cover the different types of fibres and how they perform, where they can replace or enhance traditional reinforcement, and how to specify them with confidence. Plus, you'll get hands-on with our fibre calculation software, helping you make the right decisions for your projects. And we'll look at how fibres can support more efficient, lower carbon construction. Join me for this live event and discover what fibres can do for you.